Are you carrying a weight you never told anyone about? A fear, a debt, a broken heart, a future that terrifies you? What if one promise from your Creator could change everything? Listen closely. This is for you.
ويرزقه من حيث لا يحتسب ومن يتوكل على الله فهو حسبه إن الله بالغ أمره قد جعل الله لكل شيء قدرا.
And whoever is mindful of Allah, He will make a way out for them and provide for them from sources they could never imagine. And whoever puts their trust in Allah, then He alone is sufficient for them. Indeed, Allah will accomplish His purpose. Allah has already set for everything a decreed measure. These verses carry a secret that the righteous have always lived by. Allah does not just promise a way out. He promises to make a way out and to provide from where you never expected. But notice the conditions. Whoever is mindful of Allah, this is taqwa. Whoever relies upon Allah, this is tawakkul. Tawakkul doesn't mean sitting idle. It means you tie your camel and then trust the one who controls all camels. You take every halal means. Then you hand the results over to Allah completely. And the moment you do that, your heart finally rests because He says, then He is sufficient for him. Sufficient. Hasbuka. The Arabic hasb means enough. No gaps, no missing pieces. Your wealth, if Allah is your hasb, you are rich regardless of your bank balance. Your reputation, if Allah is your hasb, people's opinions lose their sting. Your future, if Allah is your hasb, you sleep peacefully even when you can't see the road ahead. And look how the verse ends. Indeed, Allah will accomplish His purpose. Allah has already set for everything a decreed measure. Your story has a divine measure, a perfect timing. Nothing can bring that provision early, and nothing can delay it. Your only job is to trust the one who wrote that measure with love. When Ibrahim was thrown into the fire, his tawakkul was so complete that the fire became cool. That same Allah is handling your affairs right now. If He is sufficient for the prophets, then He is sufficient for you. So from today, let Hasbiyallah be your breath. Allah is enough for me. If this reminder touched your heart, then don't just scroll away. Comment below Hasbiyallah Wa Ni'mal Wakeel and let the angels witness your trust. Share this with one person who needs to hear that Allah is enough for them. And follow for daily Quranic light. No matter what you're facing right now, the decree is already set, and the way out is already written. Place your hand on your heart and say, Hasbiyallah. Allah is sufficient for me. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.